In November 2017, Pitso Mosimane went to Bolivia to find a tall, dominant striker for Mamelodi Sundowns. He wanted someone to replace Percy Tau and Karma Biliat, who were leaving. Mosimane had his eye on Gilbert Alvarez Vargas from Jorge Wilstermann, but Vargas was not playing well at the time. However, Mosimane saw another player, Gaston Sirino, who was playing for Bolivia La Paz. Sirino scored 2 goals in the first 10 minutes of the game and impressed the scouts from Sundowns. Esrom Nyandoro, who was helping Mosimane, was very impressed by Sirino's performance. The scouts from Sundowns watched many videos of Sirino's games and became more and more convinced that he was the right player for them. Sirino was 26 years old and had already played in Chile and Uruguay. He could defend, attack and create chances, which fit perfectly with Sundowns' style. Sirino was excited to join Sundowns and take on a new challenge. He didn't know much about South Africa, but after speaking with his agent and learning about Sundowns' success, he was convinced. Sirino became one of Mosimane's most trusted players at Sundowns, playing 202 games, scoring 41 goals and making 44 assists. He was very important to Mosimane. Later, Sirino joined Kaizer Chiefs, where he continues to play well. He even has a South African passport now, so he might play for Bafana Bafana one day.